Happy Saturday to all of you. I hope you're having a great day. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification. Let's take a look at Bitcoin price movement since the last update 14 hours ago. So we have a 5-wave down as an A. We're now looking for a corrective 3 ways up as a B. The level of resistance for this B to form are within 63,000 and 65,500. Once that B is completed, I would be looking for a 5-wave move down within the support area of 54,400 up to 59,126. So these are the key level to watch for support within the end of this ABC. Once that ABC is completed, we will have both blue and red scenarios still playing along, both of them at this moment. And even though we finish the ABC, both of them will have equal probabilities of unfolding. It's only going to be a bit later we will know which scenario is dominant. So as a short recap, since early August, we've printed a low at 49,000 and some change, and then we went up in 3 ways to form a 1. So that's the red scenario. Then we went down in 3 ways to form a 2, and then up again in 3 ways to form a 3. And now we should be moving down within that ABC in 3 ways to form a 4. Once that 4 is completed, I would expect prices to rise up again as a correction ABC to form a 5. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they constitute a leading diagonal, probably. Once that leading diagonal is completed, I would expect prices to move down in 3 ways corrective to form number 2, and then we would shoot back up for number 3. So this red scenario is bullish midterm, but it still needs to complete that ABC of wave 4 and then another ABC up for wave 5 and then an ABC down for 2 before being truly bullish and shooting back up to new all-time high. So that's that's the red scenario. The blue count is a little bit more aggressive in a bullish term because it starts also from the 5th of August. And we completed a 5-wave move up as a 1 and then a 3-wave move down as a 2. And within the third, the wave 3, circle 3 in blue up here with a target of 82,983, we've completed wave 1. 1 of 3. Now this 1 has stopped with the most recent high at 66,493. And now we are within that ABC correction for wave 2. And wave 2 also has expected support zone between 54,400 and 59,126. Simply taken by doing a retracement Fibonacci from the low of, when was it? The 7th of September up to the top that we did at the 27th of September. So these two scenarios are bullish. One is rather sharply bullish in the short term is the blue count, and the other one is also bullish, but a little bit later. Now, as far as invalidation is concerned, I would keep a close eye as we get closer to this 52,550 on the chart. Because if we were to break down these levels, it would invalidate both red and blue counts. Because you cannot, whether you are in a leading diagonal or a normal impulse 5 ways up structure, you cannot go back below the start of wave 3 or the bottom of wave 2, if you prefer. Should that happen, should we break 52,550, there is a big probability that prices will accelerate towards the low of early August at 49,000. And I think that this one would actually not resist. We would therefore shift what we thought was the end of correction wave 4 that we started since March 2024. And we thought that the bottom of August, the low of August that scared everybody was the bottom, and now we would go up. Well, actually, it was not the bottom, and we would then shift the end of this correction. And this entire structure that we started since beginning of August would just be an extension of WXY. We do another X up, and now we do a Z pattern with a 5-wave move down or with a 3-way move down. That is still to be determined. Key level to watch, I repeat, 52,550. Otherwise, both blue and red count are still valid. Within the very short term, I am expecting prices to still go back up towards somewhere between 63 and 65,500, and to find resistance there that would indicate the top of wave B has formed. And when we go back down, I would look for a 5-wave down pattern towards the green support area. This is the update for Bitcoin. I appreciate you for sticking through this entire video and listening, liking, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. I'll speak to you soon. Take care.